Hello guys, today I will teach you how to do After Effects CC on Capcut, so without wasting any time let's start the video.